Hey, good morning, everybody. Morgan SLV here. I hope everyone can hear me. Let's get into the metals real quick. Gold, $13.39. Silver, $23.87. Today's date, 10/26/2010. So I was kind of surfing around today, and I've heard these statements that I'm going to read off to you here before, but I'm going to go ahead and read them back to you, and they just seem to be more they were clarified more in my head today, and just take, sometimes you got to hear stuff more than once. As long as the interest rates are low, gold and silver will remain a good investment. And here's the reason why. In 1987, what brought the bubble down was the fact that the interest rates were raised. As long as Bernanke keeps depressing the dollar and the interest rates are low, gold and silver will be a great investment. If he raises the rates like Volcker did, up to say 16 or 17%, gold and silver will crash. So that is a key indicator, right? That if you start seeing, when will they do this? I don't know. I don't think they have the political will, our government and the way they run stuff. Who knows how long it's going to be before they do that? But that's like something that you can kind of write down, pin up on the wall. You start seeing interest rates start going crazy, you better figure out what you're doing with your precious metals in a hurry. Okay, so that's just kind of once again, that's one of those things that you can kind of keep an eye on and know, which way your ship is going, which way the wind's blowing, so to speak. If they raise interest rates, you will see unemployment skyrocket. Another thing that this person said, which way, by the way, is Robert Kiyosaki. He says stocks have little control. The reason they're called common stocks is because they're for common people. He said, I'm not a common investor. I believe in, I'm an entrepreneur, and I believe in controlling, my destiny, so to speak. And it's, you don't get that in common stocks. The type of trading that he does, he's an inside trader. He's on the inside, and we're all on the outside. That's the bottom line. So, all I can say is, when I heard that, it really made me kind of sit back. They raise interest rates, gold and silver will crash. So once again, that's why you need to be up on your study. That's why you need to, you better have an exit plan and maybe even a backup exit plan for your precious metals, before you just sit down and start buying them, because once again, precious metals with no education, you might as well not have it at all. Where have I heard that before? Morgan SLV out.